Paladin was engineered for endurance, but with any CNC machine, there are some simple maintenance steps to ensure longevity and optimal performance. For example, these tool cones, they need to be cleaned on a daily basis. The tool cones hold your profiling and polishing tools. When you select a tool you'd like to work with, the cone is inserted into the spindle. The spindle is a main component of CNC machinery, and it's very important to keep it clean. Before cleaning the cones, first assess for any damage or rust to determine replacement needs. Once you've done that, wipe away any dirt or slurry from the cone. Then, using a microfiber rag, spray the appropriate protectant solution to the rag and apply a light film across the entire cone. This step helps keep dirt and slurry from sticking to the cone. These cones should be cleaned on a daily basis. Refer to your maintenance schedule within the Commander software for guidance on what protectant solution to use. If you have any questions, contact the BBM Machine Technical Support Team at 502-890-0463 or visit bbmmachine.com.